easy and fast video. We are just reviewing what we know about the future tense and the conditional tense. So remember, the future tense means will and the conditional tense means would. But you can also use the future and conditional in a different way, and you can use it with probability. And we talked about this a little bit in Spanish 3, so hopefully you remember. But for example, if you say, ¿Dónde estará mi gato? Literally, you're saying, where will my cat be? And we used to say this in English to talk about probability, but now it sounds really formal and weird. So we don't do it anymore, but you still do it in Spanish. So you're not actually saying literally, where will my cat be? What you're saying is like, where might my cat be? Or another way you can look at it is, I wonder where my cat is. So if you're asking a question and you're using it with the future tense, you're probably using it with probability, because you kind of just have to know with context which one it is. Because if you just say "Dónde estará mi gato?", like where will my cat be, you're probably not actually literally saying like where will my cat be, like at 9 p.m. or whatever. So judging from the context of whatever conversation you're having, you're probably saying I wonder where my cat is, or where might my cat be. And then if you respond with the future tense and probability, what you mean is probably. So estará in Disney World. He is probably at Disney World, because that's where all cats go. So where might my cat be? I wonder where my cat is. He is probably at Disney World. If you're using the future tense with probability. And this is to talk about things that are happening right now. You can also use the conditional tense with probability to talk about things that already happened in the past. So for example, mi vuelo tiene retraso, which means my flight has a delay. ¿Qué ocurriría? Literally, this says what would happen. Or what would occur. But like that's kind of a weird sentence just to say. Like what would happen? But what you're actually saying is, I wonder what happened, or what might have happened. So very similar to the future tense. You're saying I wonder or might, but about something that already happened in the past. And then if you respond to that, so aterrizaría en el mar. Literally, it would land in the ocean. But what you're saying within the context of this conversation is it probably landed in the sea or in the ocean. So again, you can use the future and the conditional with probability. When you use the future with probability, you're talking about something that's happening right now. When you use the conditional with probability, you're talking about something that already happened. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.